boys and girls. Today at TinyTivities, we're having some bubble popping fun. To join us, you will need 1 bowl, 150 milliliters of room temperature water, dish soap, sugar, 1 straw, and 1 tablespoon. Pour all the water into the bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of dish soap and a half tablespoon of sugar. Stir it slowly until the sugar dissolves. To start your bubble popping fun, pour 2 tablespoons of the mixture on a flat surface. Dip your straw into the mixture and blow your bubbles on top of the mixture or into the air. Now it's time to have fun popping. Remember, the most important thing when creating is to have fun.